my name is Esteban. Today we're making cheesecake. Do it. It's in my bro. Say hi. Say your name, bro.
Jaime.
That's my name.
One. This is what you're gonna need.
Two packets of cream cheese.
No, cream cheese. And
3 fourths of sugar. 1 lemon.
1 lemon.
2 eggs.
2 eggs.
1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 1 pie cut.
Okay, we need for this and this 2 packets of green cheese.
Lord dear. Be careful, Mom. Wait a moment. Keep very nervous. Put that down there. Oh, yeah. Teamwork. Come on, Chip. Wait, it down. Add that 1 cup, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And wait for a while. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait. Hey, wait.
1.
Egg time.
It's egg time. So we crack it.
Too hard. Put it. Come on, here.
Oh, push it.
Now it's egg time.
Egg time.
Now it's shake time, baby. Ding, 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 ding. We need to put the winner here and put all the winner juice in here.
So we put it perfectly. Now we put the sauce. Wait, sugar, yes, sugar. All of it?
Now we put on. Now we wait. It's up to Jake's hands. Jake. What that thing? After you've done all that, missing, like this, you did good, Nip. After that, pull in the ball.
That smells delicious.
Cheesecake. Put all in there. Alright, side cake. Do all the work. Yeah, mit der,
Oh.
3,
2, 1. We go heat it up for 35 minutes.
And then the grease will be 375 grease. Hot. It's done. Now you can have, or you can put it right in the fridge for 2 hours or overnight. I like my thing cold.
And bye-bye. See you in the next video. Peace out.
Bye-bye.
Wow. What do you call a man with no nose, no mouth? Nobody knows. Say it. Say it out of your mouth. Get it out.
Why 2 hate number 1 so much?
Here's the last number.
No, the one always throw foods.